Talagang big relief sa lower back and shoulders after one session with Cydric Lee, the bone setter. Guys, disclaimer lang ha. This may not be for everyone, so better pa rin to seek your doctor's advice. I'm only sharing my personal experience kung anong relief ang naramdaman ko after the session. Yung lower back pain ko from poor posture sa office chair plus long drives, including the weightlifting sa gym, nabawasan significantly. But more than the relief, he mentioned it will also improve our organ functions pag maayos ang spine natin, which makes sense.
Ito tumatama, hindi na-flow ng maayos yung blood mo. Yung organ mo dahil na eventually tatama.
Di mako-correct in one session, I know, so I need to go back after 3 weeks. And totoo guys, yung inner cracking sounds feel so much better kaysa sa mababaw na crack lang. Ang gaan sa likod, parang na-reset. Tumagal yung session ng 1 hour, kasama na dun yung pagkuha ng history, type of work ko, matyagaan niya talagang tinatanong ano yung mga nararamdaman kong pain. In-explain niya yung mga questions ko, first time ko to, para ma-manage din yung expectations ko. 25 minutes tumagal yung bone setting session. Nakwento lang niya na yung practice niya was influenced by his lolo. And to level up the skill, he took numerous trainings and certifications abroad. And by the way, Cydric is a Filipino-Chinese businessman, pero ang passion niya talaga is to educate and help people improve their health through bone setting.